Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm talking about how planets and special points function in medical astrology. This is the part one of the vlog because it's a long one. So let's start. In astrology, the planets are considered to be archetypal forces that influence different aspects of human life. In medical astrology, the planets are associated with different parts of the body and bodily functions, as well as with specific health conditions. Here is a brief overview of the planets and their associations in medical astrology. Sun. In medical astrology, Sun is associated with the heart, circulation, vitality, and overall physical energy. The Sun represents the core of our being, our sense of identity, and our willpower. When the Sun is strong and well placed in the natal chart, it indicates good overall health, vitality, and a strong immune system. However, when the Sun is afflicted or weakened in the chart, it can indicate potential health issues related to the heart, blood circulation, and energy levels. Some common health issues associated with an afflicted Sun in medical astrology include heart problems. The Sun governs the heart, and an afflicted Sun can indicate potential heart issues such as heart disease, hypertension, and circulation problems. Weak immune system. The Sun represents our vitality and ability to fight off illness. An afflicted Sun can indicate a weakened immune system, making individuals vulnerable to infections and diseases. Low energy levels. The Sun is associated with physical energy and vitality. That's why an afflicted Sun can indicate chronic fatigue, low energy levels, and overall weakness. Vitamin D deficiency. The Sun is also the source of producing vitamin D in the body, which is essentially for bone health and immune system, and also for cardiovascular system. Individuals with an afflicted Sun are more vulnerable to vitamin D deficiency, which can lead to health issues such as osteoporosis and autoimmune disorders. To mitigate the negative effects of an afflicted Sun, individuals can focus on strengthening the heart, improving circulation, and boosting overall vitality. This can be done through regular exercises, a healthy diet, stress reduction, and adequate exposure to sunlight. Additionally, wearing the colors associated with the Sun, such as yellow and gold, or using gemstones like citrine or yellow sapphire, can help to balance and strengthen the Sun's energy in the body. In medical astrology, the Moon is associated with the stomach, digestive system, and overall emotional well-being. The Moon represents our emotional nature, our capacity for nurturing and caring for ourselves and others, and our ability to adapt to change. When the Moon is strong and well placed in the natal chart, it indicates good emotional health, a robust digestive system, and a balanced appetite. However, when the Moon is afflicted or weakened in the chart, it can indicate potential health issues related to stomach, digestion, and emotional well-being. Some common health issues associated with an afflicted Moon in medical astrology include digestive issues. The Moon governs the stomach and digestive system. An afflicted Moon can indicate potential digestive issues such as indigestion, acid reflux, and ulcers. Emotional instability. The Moon represents our emotional nature, and an afflicted Moon can indicate emotional instability, mood swings, and a tendency toward anxiety and depression. Hormonal imbalance. The moon is also associated with the female reproductive system and hormonal balance. An afflicted moon can indicate hormonal imbalances, menstrual irregulations, and fertility issues. Fluid retention. The moon governs fluids in the body, and an afflicted moon can indicate potential issues with fluids retention, edema, and lymphatic congestions. To mitigate the negative effects of an afflicted moon, individuals can focus on improving digestive health, managing emotional stress, and promoting hormonal balance. This can be done through the healthy diet, regular exercise, stress reduction techniques like meditation or yoga, and herbal remedies that support digestive and hormonal health. Additionally, wearing the colors associated with the moon, such as white and silver, or using gemstones like pearl or moonstone, can help to balance and strengthen the moon's energy in the body. In medical astrology, Mercury is associated with the nervous system, communication, and mental functioning. Mercury represents our ability to think, reason, and communicate effectively. When Mercury is strong and well placed in the natal chart, it indicates good mental and nervous system health, clear communication skills, and a sharp mind. However, when Mercury is afflicted or weakened in the chart, it can indicate potential health issues related to the nervous system, communication, and mental health. Some common health issues associated with an afflicted Mercury in medical astrology include nervous system disorders. Mercury governs the nervous system, as I said, and an afflicted Mercury can indicate potential nervous system disorders such as multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and peripheral neuropathy. Speech disorders. Mercury represents communication and speech, and an afflicted Mercury can indicate potential speech disorders such as stuttering or aphasia. Mental health issues. Mercury also governs mental functioning, and an afflicted Mercury can indicate potential mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, and attention deficit disorder. Learning disabilities. Mercury is also associated with learning and cognitive abilities, and an afflicted Mercury can indicate potential learning disabilities such as dyslexia or dyscalculia. To mitigate the negative effects to an afflicted Mercury, individuals can focus on improving nervous system health, promoting clear communication, and supporting mental focusing. This can be done through regular exercises, a healthy diet, stress reduction technique like meditation or deep breathing, and supplements or herbs that support nervous system and cognitive health. Additionally, wearing the color associated with Mercury, such as green and yellow, or using gemstones like emerald or citrine can help to balance and strengthen the Mercury's energy in the body. In medical astrology, Venus is associated with the reproductive system, kidneys, skin, and overall physical beauty. Venus represents our capacity for love, pleasure, and aesthetic abilities. When Venus is strong and well placed in the natal chart, it indicates good reproductive health, clear and healthy skin, and an overall balanced and harmonious approach to life. However, when Venus is afflicted or weakened in the natal chart, it can indicate potential health issues related to the reproductive system, kidneys, skin, and overall physical beauty. Some common health issues associated with an afflicted Venus in medical astrology include reproductive system disorders. Venus governs the reproductive system, and an afflicted Venus can indicate potential reproductive system disorders such as infertility, menstrual irregulations, and sexual dysfunctions. and also the problem with the libido, the desire in love. Skin disorders. Venus is associated with physical beauty and skin health, and an afflicted Venus can indicate potential skin disorders such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Kidney and bladder issues. Venus is associated with kidneys and bladder, and an afflicted Venus can indicate potential issues with kidney and bladder health, such as urinary tract infections and kidney stones. Eating disorders. Venus represents our capacity for pleasure and enjoyment of food, and an afflicted Venus can indicate potential eating disorders such as anorexia or bulimia. To mitigate the negative effects of an afflicted Venus, individuals can focus on improving reproductive system health, promoting healthy skin, and cultivating a balanced and harmonious approach to life. This can be done through a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress reduction techniques, yoga, meditation, whatever, Tai Chi, and herbal remedies that support reproductive system, kidney and skin health. Additionally, wearing the colors associated with Venus, such as green and pink, or using gemstones like emerald or rose quartz, can help to balance and strengthen the Venus energy in the body. And for the females, feminine energy is very important. So there can be imbalance. Females, women, should take care more about their feminine energy. In medical astrology, Mars is associated with the muscular system, blood, and overall physical strength and vitality. Mars represents our energy, drive, and assertiveness. When Mars is strong, well placed in the natal chart, it indicates good physical strength, vitality, and a strong immune system. However, when Mars is afflicted in the natal chart, it can indicate potential health issues related to the muscular system, blood, and overall physical strength and vitality. Some common health issues associated with afflicted Mars in medical astrology include muscular system disorders. So, if Mars is afflicted in natal chart, can indicate potential muscular system disorders such as muscular dystrophy, fibromyalgia, and myositis. Blood disorders. Mars is associated with the blood, and an afflicted Mars can indicate potential blood disorders such as anemia, thrombosis, and hemophilia. Inflammatory disorders. Mars represents inflammation and the immune system, and an afflicted Mars can indicate potential inflammatory disorders such as arthritis, lupus, and allergies, autoimmune disorders. Accidents and injuries. Mars is associated with accidents and injuries, and an afflicted Mars can indicate the potential of accidents and injuries, particularly those related to the muscular system and on the part of the organ that Mars is ruling. For example, Mars in Aries is ruling the head. To mitigate the negative effects to an afflicted Mars, individuals, especially men, can focus on improving physical strength and vitality, supporting the immune system, avoiding accidents and injuries. This can be done through a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress reduction, through any kind of techniques, yoga, meditation, Tai Chi, and herbal remedies that support muscular system, blood, and immune system health. Additionally, wearing the colors associated with Mars, red and orange, or using gemstones like garnet or ruby can help to balance and strengthen the Mars energy in the body. Mars in a chart of a man represents his masculinity, vitality, and how he is using his masculine energy in his life. So it's important, especially for men. In medical astrology, Jupiter is associated with the liver, pancreas, and overall physical expansion and growth. Jupiter represents our capacity for growth, abundance, and generosity. When Jupiter is strong and well placed in the natal chart, it indicates good liver and pancreas health, strong digestion, and an overall expansive and optimistic approach to life. However, when Jupiter is afflicted, it can indicate potential health issues related exactly to the liver, pancreas, and overall physical expansion and growth. Some common health issues associated with an afflicted Jupiter in medical astrology include liver disorders. Jupiter governs the liver, as I said, and an afflicted Jupiter can indicate potential liver disorders such as cirrhosis, hepatitis, and fatty liver disease. Pancreatic disorders. Jupiter also is associated with pancreas, and an afflicted Jupiter indicates potential pancreatic disorders such as pancreatitis and diabetes. Digestive issues. Jupiter represents digestion, and an afflicted Jupiter can indicate potential digestive issues such as acid reflux, indigestion, and bloating. Here, Jupiter is important because when Jupiter is afflicted, a person can feel the need to eat a lot. And when you eat a lot, is not good for your health. And the risk of getting weight is very high. To mitigate the negative effects of an afflicted Jupiter, individuals can focus on improving liver and pancreatic health, supporting digestion, and maintaining a healthy weight. This can be done through a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress reduction, and herbal remedies that support liver and pancreatic health, digestion, and weight management. Additionally, wearing the color associated with Jupiter, such as yellow and gold, or using gemstones like yellow sapphire or topaz can help to balance and strengthen the Jupiter's energy in the body. In medical astrology, Saturn is associated with the skeletal system, teeth, and overall physical structure and stability. Saturn represents our capacity for discipline, responsibility, and wisdom. When Saturn is strong and well placed, it indicates good skeletal health, strong teeth, and an overall disciplined and responsible approach to life. However, when Saturn is afflicted in the chart, it can indicate exactly the opposite. Some common health issues associated with an afflicted Saturn in medical astrology include skeletal system disorders. Saturn governs the skeletal system, and an afflicted Saturn can indicate potential skeletal system disorders such as osteoporosis, arthritis, and scoliosis. Dental issues. A Saturn afflicted in the chart can indicate potential dental issues such cavities, gum disease, and tooth decay, and also odontosis. Chronic conditions. Saturn represents chronic conditions and long-term health issues, and an afflicted Saturn can indicate potential conditions, chronic conditions, such as chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia, and autoimmune disorders, depression and anxiety. Saturn is associated with feelings of depression and anxiety, and an afflicted Saturn can indicate potential mental health issues related to depression and anxiety. To mitigate the negative effects on an afflicted Saturn, individuals can focus on improving skeletal and dental health, maintaining a disciplined and responsible approach to life, and managing chronic health issues. This can be done through a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress reduction, and herbal remedies that support skeletal and dental health, chronic health conditions, and mental health. Additionally, wearing the colors associated with Saturn, such as black and dark blue, or using gemstones like blue sapphire or black tourmaline, can help to balance and strengthen the Saturn's energy in the body. In any case, when you have health issues, you need to go to a doctor. The choosing of doctor is very important, because also here it's important to have a compatibility between the patient and the doctor. This is the first thing. The second thing, even a doctor is giving you a diagnosis, and if it's a complicated diagnosis, you have the right to go to a second opinion, to make further investigations. You don't need to have a conclusion in the first place. Go forward and make a research. In the third thing, it's important to take care of your health in daily basis, because any disease that is not treated in time, it will become a chronic disease. And chronic disease, most of the times, cannot be healed. They only can be treated to become milder. Also, the ideal combination is to combine standard medicine practices with the traditional medicine, Chinese, Indian, Egyptian, whatever, what is better for you to use, because there is a lot of knowledge and you have to use this. For example, in China, you cannot practice medicine, traditional medicine, if you don't graduate the medical school, standard medical school. So they, by default, they make a combination between standard medicine approach and traditional Chinese medicine. I wish you a good health, and in another video I will talk about the Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, and the main points in the natal chart. Also about lunar nodes and their impact in the health. Until next time, I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.